Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Bangura, and I'm going to make some feelings bottles for all of you. Some of you got to make these before in class, or maybe you've made them at home too, but basically you put fun things inside of it, like glitter or different objects like, I don't know, I have like these little beads, even some letter beads there. And I also have liquid watercolor to change the color of the water, or you could use food coloring, whatever you have. A little bit of glue to make it, you kind of put some glue in there to make it, make the things move around a little slower. And let's see, I also have some googly eyes. So all of these things. So I'm gonna make one for you. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and if your parents wanna try it out at home with you, they could do that, or you could just use the one that we make for you. So first I'm going to empty some of the water, because if we're gonna put more things in it, we have to have more space to do that. So I'm gonna go empty out some water here. So I did it to about where the triangle ends here. Okay, so, and if you need to let some out or add more in, you can. So first, I'm going to add some clear glue here, and you should have a bottle of this at home. If you don't or can't find it, let me know. And you don't need like a whole bunch, but you see I'm just kind of squeezing, maybe count to 10 or something like that. It's probably been about 10 seconds. Okay, put that in there. And it's all kind of experimental, so we'll see how it turns out, but I'm gonna do this first one with some blue glitter here. Actually, I won't take the, let's see. Okay, it pushes down like that. So this has kind of holes on the top there, so I have a tray here to catch anything, not only to not make a mess, but to save it. So in case we lose some glitter, it's on the tray, and then I could save it in a little baggie or container later. So I'm gonna add, I poured a lot, but that's okay. I added some blue here. Okay. And you can see it's kind of floating down to the bottom a little bit. And when you shake it up later, not yet with the lid off, don't shake it yet. You'll shake it up later. I might add a little more. And some of it's kind of spilling onto the tray, that's okay. This is a messy activity, so that's why I'm making them for you, in case it's a little too tricky for your parents to do it at home, because it makes a big mess. At school, it's easier to make a big mess because you have all the tools that you need to do it. So I'm gonna start off with these letter beads, and sorry, you can kind of see them right here. And I'm gonna try my best to find the letters of each of your names. So sorry, that probably wasn't the best shot. So I'm gonna look for, let's see, Cyrus's name. So I'm looking for the letter C. Well, I see a U, that's in his name. There's an S in his name. Looking for letter C, letter C. See, these are a little tricky. Oh, there it is. So we've got letters, wait, can you see it? Letter C for Cyrus, so I'm gonna put that in there. Letter Y, C-Y. And then where's R? R, U, S. So I put the letters of his name in there. And then I might add some googly eyes. Maybe different color ones here that I have. And then maybe some other beads, just colorful beads. Just so there's things to shake around in there. More beads. And then I have this other glitter that's a little bit finer, like smaller, finer. So I'm gonna add some of that, because that kind of moves around a little bit cooler in there too. Okay, so far that's what I've got, and I just want to show you what it looks like so far. And you can shake it up, especially when you're feeling like frustrated or sad or something. It's just kind of fun to shake it up and look at it, and it moves all around like that. Now I'm probably gonna add a little more water actually, so maybe I took out too much, because you kind of want it to be up to here. And maybe I'll add a little more glue too. But that's pretty much what it looks like. And when you get it all sorted out how you want it, it's probably good to put some glue around the top so that the lid stays on really good, and then put the lid on. And then if you have some kind of masking tape, to tape around the top too, just in case. And that's our feelings bottle, and you can look at the things inside. Oh, and I didn't even add the watercolor, so it might not even be necessary, because look, it looks so neat anyways without it. So, all right, I hope you enjoy these. Thanks.